In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a local copy of your project in Figma using Chrome. Whether you're looking to back up your work, share it offline, or simply have it stored locally, this step-by-step guide will help you accomplish that with ease. Let's start by opening your project in Figma using Google Chrome. This walkthrough assumes that you already have your project lined up and ready to go. Once your project is open and visible on your screen, you'll need to direct your attention to the menu bar at the top left of your screen. This is where the Figma File menu holds the key to saving everything locally. Now click on the File menu. This will drop down a list of options available to you. In this menu, you'll find a couple of crucial choices that are specifically designed for either saving or exporting your project. Depending on what you want to achieve, you'll select either Save Local Copy or opt for Export. Let's go over these options a bit. The Save Local Copy is likely the most straightforward if you're just looking to have an offline version of your entire project. On the other hand, if you want to change the format before saving or are aiming for a more universally accessible format like PDF, the Export option might be the way to go. After you've made this initial decision, you'll be prompted to make another choice. This involves selecting your desired file format. If you chose to save a local copy, you'd typically be looking at a .fig file, which retains all Figma functionality. However, if you've gone the export route, you'll have several formats to choose from, such as PDF or PNG. Opt for the .fig file if you plan on continuing to work on this file, or choose a PDF if you're more focused on preserving how it looks for viewing or printing purposes. Once you've pinpointed the format that best suits your needs, it's time to download it. You'll see an option to click for downloading. Hit that button and your project file will start downloading to your device. Keep an eye on where the file saves. Oftentimes it will land in your downloads folder. However, this can depend on your browser settings, so make sure to confirm the location for easy access later. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a local copy of your Figma project. This is a great practice to ensure your hard work is backed up and gives you the flexibility to access your designs offline. Remember, regular backups are a smart habit to develop as they protect your creativity and effort from unexpected tech issues. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!